Hello and welcome to 121 Gaslight Lane here in Irmo. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. Very beautiful home, 2-car garage. Also a covered front porch and screened-in back porch. Also with lake access as well. Let's go take a look in the backyard. All right, we are now in the backyard. As you can see right here, you have your screened-in back porch. Also, some wooded areas back here. And here's the back side of the home. Let's go inside here and take a look. All right, we are in the screened-in back porch. And that door right there leads to the living room and also the kitchen. Let's go take a look inside the home. All right, we are now inside the home. As soon as you come in off the front door of the foyer, you have your hardwood floors right here. Also, you have your hallway that leads to the living room and also the staircase. And then you have your formal living room and also dining room, which we'll get to in 1 second. Here, this door right here is just some additional closet space. And here you have your formal living room. It is carpeted. And that looks out into the front yard of the neighborhood. Straight ahead, you have your formal dining room, which we'll go ahead and go through. Very nice archways right here, through there, and also right here entering the formal living room. You have your chandelier right here in the middle. Archways that lead to the kitchen and also through here as well. Pretty good size for the dining room and also the living room area right here as well. And that leads to the kitchen. Very nice kitchen. You have your stainless steel appliances made by General Electric. You have your granite countertops, some nice lighting above the sink. And also you have your dark brown wood cabinets, gives it a really nice feel, smooth top stove, and also built-in microwave. This door right here to the left is the pantry. And also you have your eat-in portion of the kitchen as well. Straight ahead, you have your family room. Pretty large room. Also, you have your archway right here as well. You have your ceiling fan, and it also is carpeted, and also your studio lights in all 4 corners of the family room. This door right here leads to the office. You have your very nice French doors right here, which we'll take a look at in 1 moment. Let's give you another look from the other side of the family room. All right, here is the office space right here. And to the right, you have an additional door that leads out into the hallway again. And to the left, you have the first bathroom right here. Very nice bathroom. You have your granite countertops in here as well. Also the dark brown cabinets, and you have a pretty good size mirror as well. Right next to the bathroom, you have your linen closet. And here you have the stairs. Right next to the stairs, you have your door that leads to the garage. Very nice garage. Also, you have your alarm system. And also you have a coat rack right here. Let's go take a look at all of the bedrooms upstairs. All right, coming upstairs. Very nice view right here of the neighborhood and additional houses across the street. And here is the upstairs. You have your your first bedroom right here to the left. Additional linen closet, a smaller linen closet. You have your bathroom and bedroom number 2. We're going to go ahead and look at bedroom number 1. Pretty good sized bedroom. Window looks out to the front yard of the neighborhood. Also, it does have a walk-in closet. And actually, every bedroom has a walk-in closet. But of course, the master bedroom has the biggest one. Door right here leads to the bathroom. Also in here you have the granite countertops, also the brown cabinets with the faucet to match, also a pretty good sized mirror. Same style as the first bathroom, but bigger. You have your towel rack right here and also your tub. Let's take a look at bedroom number 2. About the same size as bedroom number 1. You have your window right here. Still a good sized bedroom. And also you have your walk-in closet right there as well. Straight across you have your linen closet, a much bigger linen closet. And right around the corner from the linen closet you have bedroom number 3 and also the laundry room, which we'll take a look at once we come out of bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3 is fairly large. You have 4 windows in here. Also, all 3 of these windows look out into the front of the neighborhood. And also you have your walk-in closet right here. We're going to come out of here, and as soon as you come out of this bedroom to the right, you have your laundry room. And last but definitely not least, you have your master bedroom. You have your double door entrance right here. And we're going to open it up and take a look. As soon as you come in to the bedroom, very spacious bedroom. Also, you have your tray ceilings. Gives it a really nice feel. Also, these windows look out into the backyard. And you have an additional sitting area over here. And it is carpeted throughout the top level of the home. And this door right here leads to the master bathroom. And let's go take a look inside here. Here you have the master bathroom. Also in here you have the dark wood cabinets, very nice granite countertops. You have your stand-up shower and also separate garden tub. And here is the stand-up shower. And this door right here is the toilet. And the door right beside here leads to the walk-in closet. And it's actually a pretty large closet as well. All right, that concludes our video tour of this home. Address is 121 Gaslight Lane here in Irmo. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, very nice home, also in a gated community. For more information, you can go to our website, which is turnerproperties.com. Again, that's turnerproperties.com. If you have any questions, give us a call at the office. Number is 803-407-8522. Bye-bye.